As early as 7:30 a.m., scores of motorists seeking to renew or acquire new driving permits had lined up outside the First Technologies premises in Kyambogo. The huge turn-up did not factor in social distancing and other procedures set up to help the fight against the COVID-19 pandemic. In response, this prompted the area RDC Anderson Brora and the Minister of Works and Transport to intervene.
Social distancing is okay, but there are circumstances whereby you can't distance. All of us want to reach there.
Most of the people have really tried to be safe by wearing masks and try to keep the distance, but I don't know what they think about. If we have erred in any way, they can still guide us.
The ministry's commissioner in charge of regulation and safety, Winston Katushabe, says most of those who turned up this morning were not part of the group that received text messages. The move to receive text messages was one of the mechanisms put in place to regulate the flow of people at the facility.
Those with text messages were mixing up with people who are not invited. So you can see the anxiety. And we are saying this is not acceptable.
So we have now introduced a ticketing system whereby whoever comes and is in the range of accessing a service or the number they can accommodate, they get a coupon to enter. So we don't get crowds again outside.
Katushabe says the ministry will activate its up-country offices and set up units in various parts of Kampala to minimize the number of people who come to First Technologies.
We are now working with the service provider to have one mobile units to reduce the numbers here and also open up-country offices.
Today, First Technologies only handled a small number of clients and the rest were sent away. In the past, First Technologies had been handling about 700 people.
Well, most of the driving schools were closed. So even if you want to pick a learner permit, where are you going? We are still enforcing social distancing. So we are saying those ones, maybe after 1 month, we are going to monitor the situation and advise when they can obtain. But for now, those who are ready can wait for another 1 month.
Inside the areas of operation at First Technologies, the standard operating guidelines are adhered to, and more space to eliminate lining of people outside the premises has been addressed by electing tents. Aaron Mukama, NTV Weekend Edition.